The 4 best ways to make people return for future webinars. If you want to be successful at hosting webinars, you are going to need return attendees. If your webinars can't provide staying power, then you are going to be starting all over whenever you begin advertising your webinar. Return customers will allow you to grow your audience, and that means more money in your pocket. Let's go over some of the best ways that you can make attendees want to come back. Provide amazing content. Obviously, the best way that you can entice people to come back is by providing amazing content when they are there originally. If you give people great information that allows them to improve their business, and they find really good value in what they learned at your webinar, they are going to want to attend future webinars. Offer them a reserved spot. During your current webinar, when you are nearing the end, take a moment and offer the people there a reserved spot at your next webinar. Get their emails, which you probably have already, and add them to your mailing list for the next webinar. They have just agreed to be reminded of your upcoming webinar, and some of them will definitely come. Offer an incentive. You might also want to offer them some kind of incentive for attending your webinar in the future. This will depend upon whether or not your webinar is free and what you have to offer. For example, if you are charging for your next webinar, then offer them a 50% discount if they sign up for a future webinar after they have already attended one. If you are not charging for your webinars, then you can do something like offer a useful ebook for free if they sign up for your next free webinar. Keep your webinar topic a secret. You can only do this once normally, but if you want to attract a larger percentage of people from your current webinar and get them to sign up for the next one, consider keeping the topic of your next webinar a secret. Talk it up and tell them that it's going to be an amazing presentation, but that it's top secret and you cannot tell them what it will be about. Promise it will be worth attending, and then you'll have to make sure that you deliver on that promise.